Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to fix access deny problem in ZArchiver. To do this, first go back from this app and go to your phone settings. Scroll down and now tap on apps. Search for ZArchiver. Tap on this. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now clear cache and delete app data. Go back, scroll up and tap on permissions. Now tap on notifications and allow it. Go back and tap on three dot icon in the corner. Tap on all permissions and now make sure all permission is allowed. After that, go back and go to Play Store and now search for this app and update your app if it's available. If it's already updated, then open it. Tap on OK. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. But if you are still facing this problem, then you can change the folder. Thank you.